Hey everyone, this is Mickey Papillon with thecellphonejunkie.com, and today we're taking a look at the Verizon 4G LTE network. Verizon launched its 4G LTE network earlier this month, touting speeds of 5 to 12 megabits per second on the downlink and 2 to 5 megabits per second on the up. Further, the carrier says that it can produce latency under 100 milliseconds, mirroring the user experience of wired networks. So, when Verizon reached out to us to do a hands-on demonstration, I was pretty intrigued to see what the network could do. I met with Jenny Weaver and Ryan Gordon of Verizon here in the Phoenix market. We tested the network mid-morning using a Dell laptop with an LG VL600 USB modem inside of an office building in the Scottsdale Air Park area. Multiple speed tests were done using speedtest.net. Latency averaged 75 milliseconds with both down and upload speeds above the advertised 5 to 12 megabits per second and 2 to 5 megabits per second, respectively. Currently, there are no numbers to share on how the service is doing, but information will be released with the Q4 earnings. Verizon has two monthly service plans that they offer, 5 gigabytes of data per month for $50 or 10 gigs of data for $80. There is a $10 per gig overage charge for each plan, and customers can change plans between their cycles if they find that they're using more or less data than expected. Right now, the focus on the network is for business, enterprise users, and gamers. They expect adoption of the network on the consumer side to increase and believe that the current plans are a good value. In our second test, we're using the Hulu video service to stream an episode of Hell's Kitchen. And as you can imagine, with the fast download speeds of the network, video is going to be a high priority for Verizon. For the next set of tests, I really wanted to push the network and test its ability to multitask on multiple web pages. We'd been using Internet Explorer for the first two tests, and I felt it would be a better representation of the experience if we used the Chrome browser. Unfortunately, it wasn't previously installed on the computer, but hey, we've got a 12 megabit per second connection, so let's just download it. Once installed, we want to launch multiple websites in succession. So first ESPN, then CNN, then the New York Times, then Yahoo, and finally YouTube. Now I chose these sites because of their graphically intensive nature, and some of them even have video playing. So you're going to see, as the pages are loading in the background, some of the video and audio is going to start to come out from the pages in the background.
The year's biggest star is Boo Boo. Huh? Are you feverish? I mean, Yogi's Bear. It's a big fun holiday 3D event. It's amazing. Oops. Yogi Bear, rated PG.
Then, of course, you're going to see the Flash player is pulling down the ads on some of the sites as well.
Stream video. Ranked Missouri, they were home to Oral Roberts. First half, Devin off the steal, and check out the hops on the other end as he sends this one home. He had 16 at.
And one of my favorite tests is to go to YouTube and click on 1080p, and you're going to find 1080p video will start to play nearly immediately, and the quality is just spectacular. Yeah, you can't ask for a better experience on that. Next, we're going to head to one of our favorite websites, thecellphonejunkie.com, and we'll take a look and see how the rendering of all the photos, especially in some of the reviews, does. And on our Samsung Galaxy Tab overview, we've got a video embedded that you can see will start playing immediately.
Hey everyone, this is Mickey Papillon with the Cell Phone Junkie.
And finally, we're going to pull up the latest podcast on the site, and we do have a Flash player, so we'll click on play, and it will start buffering and playing the show right away and pull down the entire 35 meg episode in just under 30 seconds.
Podcast episode 237 for December 12th, 2019.
gotta be brutal.
Google
especially
Nexus
now
S
during the
officially
holiday
announced
season.
Sprint
busy.
starts writing Iden's obituary, and Howard Stern is going mobile. My name is Mickey Papillon.
I'm Joey Kappas.
Brought to you each week with the help of listeners like...
Overall, the Verizon 4G LTE network is very impressive to use. Early adopters will see exceptionally fast connections, rivaling home wired connections with the fastest mobile network around. Choosing Verizon's LTE over Sprint's WiMAX is a good option for road warriors who need faster speeds in more locations, though the addictive nature of the speedy connection, as shown in our nearly half a gigabyte of data downloaded in the 15 minutes of testing, may find some users blowing through their data allotment within a matter of hours, so making use of the Verizon-provided notifications is smart. This has been Mickey Papillon with thecellphonejunkie.com.